Hi folks, this is Heather and here I am with my honest review of these cute coasters in the shape and style of an old-fashioned typewriter. I'm going to show you a little bit about them and hopefully that will help you make your decision. So just a real nice character-filled piece here. Got your old-fashioned typewriter. The bottom has these bumpers so that it doesn't scratch your furniture. There are a total of 4 of these, the coaster pieces. They also are padded on the bottom. Just a real cute piece with a lot of character here. You can set your drink on. I hope this helps you make your decision.